If you do not have any fast moving objects in your game and you do not encounter one object passing through the other, just always keep discrete on. You don't need to worry about continuous or dynamic or speculative because you don't need them. Also, discrete is best in performance and discrete does a very good job 99% of the time. But if you have a very fast moving object, you might want to try continuous speculative second. Because continuous speculative comes second in performance. Also, it collides with both static colliders, dynamic colliders, as well as fast rotating objects. So you can give a try to continuous speculative. Now it depends on your game, you might see ghost collisions, you might not. If ghost collisions are visible, in that case you will have to explore other options, but if it's not, you can stick with continuous speculative. If speculative doesn't work for you, then you might want to try continuous, because continuous has a better performance in comparison to continuous dynamic. If you're 100% sure that your fast moving object will not collide with any other dynamic colliders, then you can safely use continuous. But in most of the case, if you have a very fast moving object, just like for example a fast spaceship, there's a very high possibility that it might collide with other fast moving objects. So since other fast moving object will be dynamic, since it will have a rigid body attached to it, then continuous will not work in that case. And the last option is continuous dynamic. Performance wise, it's the worst in comparison to the other three, but you might need it in a case of a very fast moving object, like I said, like a spaceship. So yeah, that's how these four work, and hope this gives you a clear idea about the collision detection options in Unity. So thanks for watching. Next we are gonna discuss rigid body constraints.